Thanks to everybody for joining us this afternoon. I'm going to get us started in just a minute to give people time to click their calendar notification. And just a note that the presentation today will take about 15 minutes and will be followed by a short Q&A. And you can put any questions you have into the chat and I'll answer them at the end of the presentation to the best of my ability. Thanks again. Hi, welcome to Sonic Promo's webinar on our online program solutions. We're so happy that you can join us today. My name is Mallory. I am the Director of Marketing here at Sonic, and I will be your guide through the different online program solutions that we can offer you. This webinar is designed to give you an overview of the different types of digital and online platforms that we offer. There will be some time for questions at the end. However, we always encourage you to reach out to your account manager for more specific information. Why programs? Often people think of promotional product marketing as a single direct transaction. You hand out an item at an event or trade show, and hopefully the recipient sees your name enough times that they give you a call one day. Those types of marketing have their time and place, and we love supporting them. Programs are a little different, though. Programs are ongoing marketing efforts. They give your prospects or recipients a multifaceted experience with a branded product as the takeaway piece. You're probably already running some sort of program if you have an employee rewards program, onboard new hires, or send thank you gifts to sales prospects. Our digital program solutions are scalable and can help you receive data and feedback on how your program is doing. You get valuable information about your ROI, and you can see if you're hitting your goals. Let's get straight to it. I'm going to run through our most popular platform types. These platforms include simple and redemption stores, custom-built stores, catalog stores, virtual wallets, and retail incentives. Of course, almost anything can be made more custom or specific to fit your needs. We'll also have some time for questions at the end of the webinar, and you should always discuss your project with your Sonic Promos account manager. Our most popular type of platform is the Simple Store. Simple stores are single-page pop-up sites featuring one or more pieces of merchandise that can be added to a cart. They have an easy checkout process that can be tied to redemption codes or custom payment methods. They're quick to launch and gather shipping addresses for you via a checkout process. Simple stores can be converted into redemption sites by removing any monetary transactions and replacing them with individual one-time use codes. Each code is customizable to the recipient and would be used to access the site and redeem for an item. Let's walk through our demo site. Simple stores are best for simple programs. They're great for pop-up shops and gifting programs where the end goal is to collect orders and drop ship information. Here we have a working demo to highlight the features and flexibility available to create easy-to-manage experiences. At the top, we have a banner and short paragraph describing the store. Both can be customized to display your branding and message. This demo features an optional fundraising bar and countdown clock. If you are trying to motivate your audience to buy towards a single goal or before a certain time, these are great features to include. As we scroll down, users are greeted with the items in the store. We can add personalized drop-downs, text fields, size and style guides, and toggle quantity selections. The checkout process is simple and comparable to most online retail experiences. Users can check out with a credit card or with a custom purchase order number. Let's show you how that works. Here we can choose different color options for this ladies onyx polo. I'll go with electric blue, and I'm going to choose one medium. Add to cart. And head to the checkout. If this is a gifting program, like an onboarding or rewards program, we can skip the payments altogether by providing your users with custom one-time use codes that will allow them to simply enter, select, and go. Once checkout is completed, customers receive a confirmation email, which displays custom text. This can be used to either provide production details or simply thank them for shopping. We can also offer our shipping concierge service, which includes shipping and delivery confirmations. On the reporting end, we're able to provide detailed reports that work with your program schedule. We also work closely with your account manager to ensure that the fulfillment of the goods is seamless. For a step up from the simple store, we have custom-built stores. There are two tiers of the custom-built store, basic and advanced. Both are based on retail e-commerce platforms and offer many functions past the simple store platform. While they have similar functionality, an advanced store has more custom design options and can enable different permission levels for users. Here are the highlights. Both basic and advanced stores offer custom category and product pages. Users can check out using a traditional online checkout, and with the advanced store, we have the option of letting them check out with rewards points. Both styles are flexible and customizable in design. Templates are available for both, but if you want to go really custom, the advanced platform has additional design tools. The basic and advanced store have the option of custom data collection. That means we can ask for different data points during checkout and provide robust reports on how the store is being used. There are many more functions that these stores offer, but let's show you what they look like. Here are our demos. Company stores of any kind are best used for long-term programs that need to cater to different user levels or permissions, or that require customized metric reporting. These stores can either have an internal focus on employees or an outward focus on retail customers. This is only a general overview of our platforms. For a full list of functionalities or to determine how these can be customized to fit your needs, please reach out to your account manager. Your Sonic Promos account manager can work with you on how best to stock and fulfill store orders. We're going to start with an example of our basic company store platform. These are built with a template, but offer features that are a step up from simple stores. Basic company stores have custom categories and pages for each item. Items can be added to multiple categories, and users can use the search tool if they're looking for something specific. Each item page can showcase multiple images, offer item descriptions like size, color, or logo, give descriptions, and if needed, display quantity discount information. Some clients also like to add user review functionality. Users create their own accounts to save their order information or create wish lists of items. Basic stores can integrate with single sign-on, giving users a seamless transition from their internal sites to the company store. An advanced store has the same features as a basic store, with added advantages. The design is completely customizable, and the back-end reports and permissions are more detail-oriented. You can allow users to have budgets, check out with rewards points or purchase orders, grant different permission levels to different groups, and even require manager order approval. Advanced stores allow you to create promotions, coupons, and gift certificates to incentivize users to check out certain items. The cart on an advanced store can be customized to collect data other than the ship to and billing address if needed. A brief note, we also have the option of creating a catalog store. This doesn't have any checkout functionality, but instead users can request quotes and create wish lists. This works well if you want your sales team to request their own promo items while staying on brand. Virtual wallets. This platform allows you to gift and manage virtual funds. These funds are delivered via a gift card that can be tied to specific retailers, both international and local. Our virtual wallets are perfect if you are short on time but want to make a big impact. Funds are accessed via the customized email that is sent out to your event attendees. You can choose the retailers that fit your event best. For a breakfast meeting, you can send out Starbucks gift cards or a card for the local coffee shop. The platform has a global reach. Recipients will have access to local shops and delivery services. The way this differs from other programs, you're only charged for the funds that are actually used. If some of your participants never use their gift cards, once the program expires, you get that money back. Let's show you how it works. The digital wallet is a great tie-in with branded items or as a standalone program. We love the solution for virtual events like happy hours, multi-day virtual conferences, or online networking. Perfect for domestic or global audiences, our virtual wallet programs can support any size audience, and they are fully customizable. All users eligible for the program receive a custom email with a link to the platform. They will have to create an account if they haven't used it before. Once users have logged in, they'll be presented with a digital credit card showing the value of the card. Users can then see what retailers the funds can be spent on. For international recipients, these retailers will be tailored to the location of your recipient. For example, if you want all your recipients to buy themselves breakfast for a virtual breakfast meeting, we can select retailers that specifically supply coffee and breakfast items. If you want them to spend the funds on clothing, we can specify clothing-only vendors. The funds all have expiration dates. If you want to tie them to a specific day or weekend event, we can do that. Or they can go longer as rewards for a job well done or thank you to your employees. If you want to offer promo plus a digital solution, we can do that too. We can add a Bluetooth speaker and digital gift to access streaming services for a totally immersive experience. The advantage of this gift card platform is that funds that are not spent when the program expires are returned to you. No more breakage fees. Anything that's left over doesn't go to waste. So before you buy your next gift card, ask us about the virtual wallet program. The last of the platforms we will introduce today is our retail incentives platform. This is the perfect platform for companies who want to give name brand retail items away without having to stock any inventory themselves. Most companies are already doing a program like this, although they may not use an e-commerce platform to do it. These are a great way to reward your employees with items that they can choose themselves. Retail rewards programs are e-commerce platforms where users are able to pick out an item from a catalog. This item is shipped from a central warehouse directly to them. Because these are retail items, they do not require us to pre-order inventory, and they give users options from a wide variety of items. The main difference between this and one of our other platforms is that the items featured are unbranded. The website is where your branding and messaging are highlighted. You choose how much you want to spend per employee gift. That cost is directly tied to the cost of the item. Our retail rewards come in two program options. We can do an ongoing program where users log in and can shop with rewards points, and we can also do a pop-up program with a set amount of spend per user. Managers also have access to the shop that they can send out points and reminders through. I'm going to show you a demo of how this works. Let's walk through two versions of our retail incentives platform. These platforms are great for companies who want a quick pop-up and let users choose their own items, or don't want to house inventory for retail items. While the items on these platforms are unbranded, Sonic Promos can provide branded retail goods through a different type of program. The first of these platforms is the gift redemption site. This works similarly to our other redemption store pop-ups. Each user is emailed a one-time use code that they can use to log in to the shop. The shop features your logo and a short custom paragraph greeting users. Users can then scroll through available gifts in the price range specified ahead of the shop setup. These are all tied to items that are in stock at our retail warehouse. It is possible that they can change over the course of even a few weeks as inventory comes in and out. Once a user has selected their gift, they go through a checkout process and the item is picked and shipped directly to their door. Our engagement link is the more robust retail incentive platform. In this, users can create a login and have accounts with point balances. The catalog of items is tied to the number of points that they have to spend on available prizes. As they accrue points over the course of the program, they can continue to log in and buy items with their points. Managers can have permissions set to log in and gift or send points to their team. These can be done through gift cards, creating milestones or goals for team members to hit, or asking the team to participate in a survey. If you're looking for a short-term or long-term engagement with a specific objective, ask your Sonic Promos account manager to see if one of our retail incentive programs are right for you. This wraps up our overview of some of our technology platforms. We have some time for questions. Please enter your questions into the chat and we'll do our best to answer them. For specific costs and timelines, your best contact is always your Sonic Promos account manager. If you don't have a Sonic Promos account manager or you're not sure who that person is, you can always reach out to info@sonicpromos.com. All right, let's get started on some questions.
All right, guys, thanks so much for joining us today on our program's presentation. I really appreciate you taking the time. If you do have any questions, you're welcome to put them into the chat and I will try to answer them to the best of my ability. We'll give it a couple of minutes just to make sure everyone's caught up. In the meantime, I can answer a couple of frequently asked questions. The number one question we always get, of course, is price. You know, everybody wants to know what their budget will allow. And I can let you know that on the lower end, our basic store pop-up starts at $495. Of course, as you add on to that or you go into higher functionalities, the price will increase. The best way to know exactly what something like this will cost is to talk to your account manager or email info@sonicpromos.com, and we're happy to work with you and find the custom solution that works best for you. And then let's see, what other questions that we have? I don't see anything too exciting in the chat right now, just myself. So another question people have is often, how long does it take to set something like this up? And the answer to that is once we have an idea exactly of what you're looking for and we've gone through the quoting process and we know what sort of solution works best for you, we can pop up one of these stores in about 2 to 3 weeks. Now that's the normal turnaround time. Of course, if you have a rush need, I mentioned the virtual wallets, those are a really quick turnaround. Those can be done a little bit more quickly, but 2 to 3 weeks is the standard amount of time. And we have an excellent in-house team that will work directly with you to make sure that the end result is what you were looking for. And the same thing applies to customer service as well. If you or your end users on the website have any questions, we have an in-house team that works on customer service. They're available Monday through Friday during standard business hours. We also can contract with outside call centers if necessary, depending on the volume of your store. But we definitely want to make sure that all of our clients are left in good hands. And let's see, what other questions could we possibly answer? Like I said, the chat is pretty quiet. I think that the best solution is always to reach out to your account manager. If you don't have an account manager or you don't remember who they are, email info@sonicpromos.com and we will be happy to reach back out to you and work with you. And I think that's kind of the end of it. And like I said, questions, email us. We're always happy to talk. And thanks again for spending your afternoon with us. Have a great day.